common sense to say if you play in the Champions League stage against the winner of the Premier League, that you are not the favorite. That was what we were last week, and for me the whole game is about these two legs. We are only in the lead. No problem with that. It's better than I could have expected, but we all know, and I think you all know, that there is still a lot of work to do. If we go through, if City go through, then it's waiting Real Madrid probably, Barcelona probably, and Bayern Munich probably. That will be quite intense as well. So it's right. So because it's the Champions League, it's the best team competition in the world, and that's why it should be difficult to go through. I still cannot forget when we played Middlesbrough last year, and we knew we will be fourth in the league, and we had the qualification. It felt fantastic, and then you got Hoffenheim, and then it felt like, oof, that's pretty tough, and you won that, and then we were so excited about the opportunity to be part of the Champions League, and now being here, play against, for me, still the best team in the world in the moment. Yeah, it's a big job, but of course an opportunity as well.